Hey, how's it going, guys? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2007 Honda CRV maintenance light reset. We are going to use that screen right there and this button right here. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. And go ahead and press that button until you find that oil life. Now, when you get here, press and hold. Give it about 10 seconds. Now let go and turn the knob until the oil life is flashing. Then press once. And now press and hold. And that 60% will turn into 100% and we will be done. Thank you for watching. Make sure you click that like and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.